Minim say atro enyina eja eni NDC. Nanso na minim say ewudifo nyina nso eja esanso ye NDC. Then tina meka sa asem wo beka ya 2020 and 2024 general elections. Somewhere na NDC opposition. Na NDC eko Galamsey site in same union na omo ka kire omo. Number 1, Nkwasiafuo St0p e chi omo no. Enye omo na e wose e chi omo, na emum na oso omo chi kingpins na omo ye Galamsey na nkasa. Enunti se NDC abanya John Dramani Mahama aka Poly Bamboy eye Idi Amin aka Poly Bamboy John Bosco edi anim no se oba sa nkofo na ya chi omo enam illegal mining nti no oba obeyi omo nyina efri eye prison na omo amnesty na omo asanso akọ eye Galamsey site ho concession ho nwuremu ho forest reserve nimu insuo ne so no masa akoye omo Galamsey a omo ye no mo de asai oman no NDC ewudifo etrimodenfo apobofo kontompofo esa to koka kire Galamsey fo a na omo ye Galamsey se na do dan kwakufo do trimu ye din ti no mpese omo mo be ye Galamsey ye fe ne se illegal mining eno nti omo NDC fo ewudifo ne bade a edam bete se ye declare se John Dramani Mahama president of the Republic of Ghana na omumbonwura Galamsey site wono nkonko ye adwuma we no ema NPP elusi omu seat ewo Galamsey constituency no almost 95% omu lusu ye ama takon swayem 2020 ekade na NPP lusu ye 2024 NPP elusu ye. Now the fight against Galamsey was not just an ordinary fight. Eyentokwa na NPP abana na dodan Akufo-Addo any NDC because NDC form was the weapon formed against na dodan Akufo-Addo to fight Galamsey, because whilst they come outside and pretend as if say they want NPP and another dodan Akufo-Addo to end Galamsey, no, they go back to the Galamsey site and tell the Galamsey say these people don't like you, they hate you, and they don't want you to do the Galamsey. And to vote for us because say my Galamsey. That is where reason encouraging conforma say they should vote for NDC, because when the NDC government they would allow them to do the Galamsey now more, you know. So what happened? What happened was that we went into election 2024 and NPP lost the election woefully in all the Galamsey constituencies in the country. They made Ghanaians believe as if NPP brought Galamsey into this country. They painted Chemaun as the kingpin, the beneficiary of Galamsey in the whole country, whilst Chemaun is from the Ashanti region. There is Galamsey in the eastern, Ashanti, western north, central, Buno region, Afro region, Buno east region, somewhere even in the Savannah region, Mahama Krum, Upper West, and all those stuff. They are Galamsey in these regions. But they made people believe Chemaun was the main kingpin of oil Galamsey in the whole country. Today, Chemaun is no more doing mining. But Galamsey is still going on. Now, the Galamseyers are crying. And this is what they are saying, that after you people lied to them for them to vote for you, you are destroying Galamsey sites. Now, some Ghanaians have some response to Galamsey way. I'm going to play the video to you so that you listen to what Ghanaians have to say about what the NDC government is currently doing and what they also think say it wasn't and the reason why the Galamseyers have been fooled by the NDC. Ghana and St0p meeting I'm just so you promise. We know about Roma make a share video and then some Ghana for a walk Galamsey for any aswadin ya omunya yom koto abama NDC any dey omukomu ene. The main reason no any young combra and incotis and some Ghana for that to be an area ya be chida abion message say onya like here like na share na chida abion comment section meeting the promise ha Ghana and St0p send medical catch on me Facebook promise the blogger me Instagram promise the blogger more Twitter promise the blogger and after TikTok and so no promise the blogger. Young combra
no guy montumano no bag and so baby simon can have my small who do abe.
In the history of Ghana, Addo Akufo-Addo nkoa ana wo hia amane mienu e wona pen so hye omampanyini Ye di nkan aye pandemic a ebeda wiase nyina kom. In fact, so wo hwe the first term a no odi bu o man na no man Ghana eniema edida na kwam enhyehyeye a na ban na hyehye senk wo de beboa o man no na it was in the right direction. Yanka bia nhyem ena from 2019 2020 2021 nyina 3 good years 3 good years eniema sha asese ese kura eniema sha asese ese worldwide ma Ghana so kura de ne emobo na ye no NDC for the propaganda say corona no kwa de enye nsunsuanso boni bia wo yeso na ekofo ado corona no kwa boa Ghana na sika bi e ba ya sika bi a Ghana asakan na say sika na wei ewi ase so eden pa o ewi ase eden enne say video we ya yakwa akohwe wunim de ha me wo ho the second ade a eto na adan kwakufo ado ne say ebra Galamsey ejina na naso pa no Galamsey ejina na naso pa na adan kwakufo ado ye na adwen say obekon Galamsey no na sa abre kro na no NDC fo eba abonte be ka hye Ghana fo say na adan kwakufo ado ne na ban fo e na ye Galamsey omu wi a na omakọ Galamsey site ho akọ ka kire Galamsey fo ne say omonto aba na mo omo na omonto aba na mo omo a omoba ban mu ombekọso aye Galamsey na nada nkokufo ado ana emo omunye Galamsey odi sojafo tata omo hwensem yenu no we ne efre no anoma kokonekuni okọ atifi kohunsuo no aba na afọ ayeden aba bebusa so anoma kokonekuni okọ atifi kohunsuo no aba na afọ aba bebusa enti enam sa ade ni nti no Galamsey no enye menkase bia say anasisi Galamsey nye but NDC ama omanfo ye Galamsey no amfo omadwene mpo anwene wo man no ho se na obi ye Galamsey na say bia onwene wo man no ho say bia wo se wo man ni bibia NDC fo ama omanfo a eye Galamsey no amfo omadwene mpo anto aba wa mo omanfo omadwene anwene wo man no ho se timamufuo nti Sameja mfiri ne nkrofo koye press conferences ewo nsuom esese nsuo no bi besi studio kache Ghana fo say NPP ne na dan kwakufo ado ena ye Galamsey ewo Ghana hanum say ya omote radio no so ana TV no so no na ebi so na machire eko kache Galamsey fo no say mo hwe NDP fo no na ema mo nya adwuma nti mo nto oba no na NDC na NDC ba mbokọ so ya adwuma no na dan kwakufo ado e dia soja fo ko site se o de kopamo Galamsey fo afiri ho mahama be ka kire na adan kwakufo ado se onjai asoja fo de chesi Galamsey fo site enne Collins Dauda enumutuo asosifi north ne asosifi south MPs a omobu asoja fo makọ site ekopamo Galamsey fo a Collins Dauda camera sini so se wono woto oseda ekwaje unim sa okoje generator mi no okoje na brebes okoje no MPP abreso se ode koboa esutifi south ene esutifi north okoje as MP say ne manfo hia your friend say transformer not knowing say ono gata num to say transformer no se nkeka kro no nko a aka transformer na wo hodada ne beso but oje transformer no ode ko hinfa ode ko baby omuye Galamsey no Galamsey site won no de transformer na ko e sere be ya ombetime electricity anyam Galamsey abo no enti omanfo ye Galamsey ni Galamsey site no omo e ka omo nkompo ankanye 2024 na MPP free so nka 2020 because all the mining areas omo tutu ya MPP and enti omo tutu ya MPP because ni abehye omo bot se de ohunu wo video ni mu na so omo ntomo omo mpo omo makoso ya Galamsey ewo omo site ho no omo places e tu Galamsey no na NDC for no aba TV so any radio so any media houses no matter to omo no day in and day out no omo kire omo manfo say omo nto aba no emfanti MPP because of say omo MPP ne na do nko akufo ado aban e na ye Galamsey na asem mienu we ade baako ne positive ne negative nyina ekoti aban no aban na okun Galamsey na ekotia no wanku Galamsey na ekotia no ni nyina afi NDC enti mo sa miamia na mo Galamsey site no enye se no obi taamo said the NDC for Becatcher mo say NPP for NMA Munye Galamsey. Yes, no be tam name said the Beya or Mina ye chichreno. Say Bibiba, na say enquire near see in Jai, Nasa or Mampany be a 2-1 more. Yen neighbor me at City or Mampany, Canasin near 2-1 morning to another Kufado, or some more stop Galamsey. And NDC for Becatcher someone ye. No more my ye, a NPP for Nema Monye. Some of them radio say Galamsey has been with us for decades. How can an 10 months old governor stop Galamsey? But na sa time na Nkwasiafuo one day, na sa decades ni ho. They make it look as if said na dan Nkwasiafuo ban dey start Galamsey e wo Ghana ha no say. Edum pempen so abro so. Enti adan ye njai. Mobile TV so be yem anim say mo boa o man no. Because omo ankasa ka kire yen say na some jamfie no mton ka kire Ghana for say omo mo aban ne emo aban ne kira say aban ne stop Galamsey omo pesa aban ne free so no omo mum den hyehyɛ papa be ye Galamsey no omo mum mebo aban ne ma aban no enye yi ana Galamsey ne yi da bi enti ede no mbe ye omo aban ne ma aban ne entimi ntu Galamsey ase de ombe ne say ombe be TV so aka kire o say na dan Nkwasiafuo Ado ana ye Galamsey na emom no makọ site ho ma ka kire o mo say na dan Nkwasiafuo Ado na emo o nye Galamsey. So who's handing your mommy, you know? And she said, oh, boo, mine, boo, make hyper 2012, year 12 by ya. Election results, no quite something which is there, call quarter. NDC for crowd by year propaganda and campaign say, almost to abandon them more monocrano. NPP for more one for woman for the part for about 6 months as I said, or Mujina court. In 6 months, near T3 more, Yakwa Van Yejuma. Hey, Obia, or no what fancy your friend say. Corona pandemic enye Ghana nko wiase nyina chabra na ye wo court na na ye twa na ye gi revenue na ye gi internal revenue na businesses ni ade koso na omanfo kodwom na ho kire ni ho oti ase but o be ka kire se corona na anye Ghana for hwe Ghana for kra advantage ye nya sika sisi a wo ba ye wo matu corona Oba ye na sisi ano wo nkrofo omo ye friends Galamsey a omo ye Galamsey untimi nche wo mo ana wo ma create impression bi e de chama untimi abaye cover up as if say chama untimi owo Ghana half na nyina na otu Galamsey meanwhile no we statement from the charges amode board no che say akonta mining e chama untimi dia wo ye illegal mining company abanyaji na tumi se obetime tu fom agudi o Ghana ha na emom biaye baako bia okotu fom agudi o hode we anya tumi krata enu ntina wo twe na bo so bezan buza se asutifi north na asutifi south MP no a wo so wode ye say wakwaji transform mienu dia kwa site ho no so mo fantu Galamsey no sa bia ye ho no ode call ya obua se omo ntu Galamsey na ho no ye omo dia na asojafo oba ye kura asojafo ye ho no madwuma omo ko bo omo no be to omo permit wen ene chama wuntu mi dia difference na wum na ne dey difference na ta wuntu kwere so or firm or company but we only company omo na ye wo so unim campaigns ni mu na abeche omo pa to campaign be na esne Collins Dauda yaka campaign na wone hwan campaign ni obi abi odi ni sika ewura bibi mu na o hye nkrofo kutupa so omunye bibi enti Collins Dauda your friend say transformers no odi ko honom no oni interest o na ehye mu kutupa campaign be na sene no na yete ha ya hwemo Ghana for ebra so say mo ma ye reason because these things you know emwama oto oman mu kura na san nkrofo we omo yo mo demonic people bi no mo Ghana for betena emwama wuntimi think as a human being because they distort things everywhere ade bia ye no oman mu bia no omo be kire mu different abeka omo de amana kwa ye say obi mom na eye ade na mana ye bibia ti sa nenso so ebre ye ninka so enti Ghana for we mo man nye ade say eye na ada no mabada mo man ka no kran fanyam na mo nto abanfanti NDC 2028 eye simple as that what you say because o man o mabeda da o man ama mpempenso no man direction ekwo nyina achia say this your man ye hu kura ye hu botokura ye mfa kura nshim.
Now from the video we just watched everything has been explained. See, this government is just fooling you people. I'm telling you, they are just fooling you people. Fooling and more fooling. because they know there is people in this country IQ, sense of reason and sense of understanding, that will form. So you are just fooling you people. But I don't blame them, I blame you people. You are the same people I'm talk about them mom. So whatever they are doing it because you people gave them the power to do it. You gave them the power to do it, and that's why they are doing it today. So you guys should stop complaining. You thought these people were coming to allow you to do the Galamsey. They just wanted your vote. They just wanted your vote. That is the honest truth. I will be unconscious, but I will tell you in your face, because I don't fear you. I don't fear you. That's the honest truth. And here Jimmy, any you vote in and any mafia. Keep quiet and suffer. John regard John. Keep quiet and suffer. I don't want to see people complaining and making unnecessary noise, disturbing our peace in this country. No one forced you. No one forced you. You've been scammed. You have to understand. Just take it as it is. Take it as it is. Because that's NDC for you. They operate in lies. And they lied to you. They operate in lies. And they lied to you. So Boga, keep quiet and suffer. Suffer alone. Because NDC is a political party born out of lies. And that's why you've been lied to. I catch you. Somebody no crana na mede. I catch you. Me try to run fan chito. No crano.